Before going to the video, this is a request to like the video, share in your various accounts, and after watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to get notification of the further videos.
Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to use marker. So what is the need of using marker? If you write any journal or papers or conference paper or books and you want to put MATLAB figures, if the figure contains multiple number of curves, then how to differentiate it? Because if you take a black and white printout, the color will not shown and all color of the curves are black, so it cannot be distinguished. So that is why we use marker. So now take this example, x equals to 1 to 5. We reduce the size of time at interval 0.001, and y equals to sin x, z equals to cos x, and p will take sin x uh, with some phase shift equals to 30 degree, means pi by 6. So we plot here the three curves. So how it looks like? It looks like this, right? It look like this. Then we need to insert marker. How we insert? There are two ways. First go to figure window, then click the arrow and click a corresponding curves and right click it. You can see the marker here. You can, okay, marker is not visible, so I reduce the interval, right, so that it can be shown. Now I'm going to the figure window and this marker, this. So this is the circle is thing. You can change a star, you can change also, and you can change the marker size as well. From this marker size, you can look, marker size is increased, and you can decrease the marker size too, but it is not visible. Okay, 6 is fair enough. So this is a way to insert a marker in MATLAB curves. Now I will demonstrate how to use marker with code. So here in the command window, if we write help plot, you can see from here these are the markers: point for point, O for circle, X for X mark, plus for plus, star for star. Actually, this is multiplication sign. S for square, D for diamond, and like that. So we can use the marker. Now, what to use here? Now I am using circle. C for circle. Okay. Now running. Something error is color. Oh, circle. Say we used star. How it comes? So it is come like that, but there is no line, right? So we need to put solid line, right? We need to put solid line. So this hyphen is the solid line. Now you can see the solid line is also coming along with the marker, right? Now if we say if we want dotted line, this will be the dotted line. And if we change the marker, say diamond, for D for diamond, so it is coming like that. You can see the dotted portion. If we change the color from here, it will be visible more color. Now change the color into this. Okay, now you can see the dotted line, right? Now if we want to use dashed line, actually the line, different kind of line is also available in help plot. This is the different kind of line: dash for solid, colon for dotted, dash dot for dash dot, and dash for dash dash. So if we use this dash 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 dash, say circle, C for circle, I guess. No, C for circle. Oh, no, 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 no. O for circle. O for circle. Right. Actually, the black one is dash dashed line. If we remove the marker, you can see the line is dash dashed. Right. This is dash dashed line. So now this is the way we can apply the marker and different kind of lines as well. Now how to increase or decrease marker size. So we need to write here RKERSIZD in single inverted comma, say 10. Now we'll see the marker size is increased, right? Marker size is increased. Now if you want to change the marker color, look, there red is here, green is here, black is here. So I use the marker as blue. So this will be uh, marker color. This is marker edge color. Say blue. Right. Now you can see it is coming blue. Markers are blue. Now you can also fill the marker. If we take, say, this star as circle O, now we want to fill the marker with some color. Take marker size as 6. It will look good. 6. Right. Now we want to fill the marker with some color. How to use? There is the same, actually, mm, there is a way. marker face color, I guess. Marker face color. Face. Marker face color, comma, in bracket, there are codes are available. 000 for black side. Yes, those are black. If we change 100, this will be red, I guess. Yes, red. If we change 010, this will be green. Yes. Now if we change 001, this will be blue. Right. Now if we change 110, this will be our yellow. Right. If we change 101, this will be our magenta. Now if we take 111, this will be white. 111, this will be white. And if we take 000, this will be black. So this is the way to represent curves with some markers, and how to increase the marker size or decrease the marker size, and change the color of the face of the marker, and how to change the color of the edges of the marker. So this is end of this tutorial. Thank you.